Sharp-tailed grouse, also known as the fire grouse, is the medium-sized prairie grouse. The sharp-tailed grouse is found throughout Alaska, much of the northern and western Canada, and parts of the western and midwestern United States. The sharp-tailed grouse is the provincial bird of the Canadian province of Saskatchewan. Countless male sharp-tailed grouse rapidly stamping their feet and wriggling their tail feathers while spinning in the circle, all in the effort to win courtship rights. The noise created when dancing is a combination of stamping feet 20 times per second and very distinct cooing call. I found its movement similar to Zauли dance. Maybe some people with more experience can explain. Please drop a comment. Stay tuned.